I've been working on this SC1. I need to fix this angle right here so the key doesn't get stuck. But right now, I've only had one key in this lock. And I think I'm close. You can see the keyway turning just a hair. You can even hear it going around. So I'm gonna finish this maybe, we'll see. And I've got to fix that angle so that my key doesn't get stuck. I've got, looks like just one position that's really indicating. You see it right there, that dot. I'm going to clean this angle up. All right. Okay. Cleaned the angle up, filed the third space. Let's see what happens. Almost felt like I was about to twist my key blank off. Need to calm down. Great marks in positions 1 and 2. Or I mean 2 and 3. Okay. Okay. Great marking in 1 and 3. I'm wondering about this one up here. I might clean it up. Okay, filed in 1 and 3, cleaned up space 4. Getting close to twisting this blank off, I can feel it. I gotta be gentle. Okay. Got a mark in 4. That's really all it's marking actually. Oh, wow. Couldn't get a better mark than right there. You can see that a mile away. really good mark again in position 4. Okay, another really great mark in position 4. Got it. Sweet. That's my second Schleg, and second time I've gotten them on one key. So I gotta watch my angle on this right here so that it doesn't lock itself into the key behind a pin. But we have one more indicator in space 4. It's not too heavy. All right. See, I accidentally hit my focus lock on my iPhone. I don't know how to turn it off. I didn't clean the lock or anything, didn't lubricate it. I approached it as is, you know, as it was. I pulled this off of a commercial property a long time ago. You see it's dirty. Our key has some deep cuts, 7s and 8s, at least a 7 or 2. Oh no, it all came apart. It just fucking blew apart. Look at that. Holy shit. The tailpiece just broke and everything. Oh my god. Well, fuck. Look at that. You know, if it didn't happen on camera, you wouldn't have believed it. Look at that. I can't believe that. I can't believe that. Oh, I was so proud. And it's exactly what I just said. The angle of this cut right here is too great. Because I put a cup in there. I got a little excited. And so you can actually see that the pen got obstructed on it. See that shiny spot? That's that tip of that cut right there. All right. Now I called it, didn't I? I said I need to correct that. And me trying to pull it out without correcting it, the pin couldn't lift up over that, so it got stuck, and it exploited the worn tailpiece, the destroyed pot metal, and that's why it just blew up in my hand. Well, shit. I guess I'll repin it. I'll pin it to the key that I impressioned, but it's not original anymore because all the pins and springs and everything else just blew away in my hands.